Hello, this is Joan of Art, and let me tell you the travails of a translator, or more precisely, a court interpreter. I was a court interpreter for many years before I became a court legal researcher. I'm reminded of what used to be my job when I saw this post by a lawyer friend. So this is a real incident that happened in court thanks to my friend. Should I mention your name? Attorney Revos or BATO. Thank you for that joke. And let me just condense what he quoted on his social media post about what happened in court. So the lawyer was asking the witness something like this: when you heard the gunshot, what did you do? And the witness answered in Ilonggo, "Sang nabatian ko ang lupok, wala ko may naobra, kay daw nagbato ko." Now, it's the court interpreter's job to translate what has been said from Ilonggo to English for the record. And this is how the interpreter translated what the witness said. When I heard the gunshot, I did not do anything because for a while and this was the point when the court interpreter had trouble interpreting what bato really meant in this sentence. So the court interpreter said, I turned into stone. And the court said, the court is the judge, of course. So the judge said, no, that's not what the witness meant. So the court interpreter said, rock. So for those who understand the punchline, there's a difference between the literal interpretation of the word bato, which really means stone or rock, but in this case, bato meant something else. Yes, it's an expression that means like someone turning into stone because you weren't able to move because of shock when you heard a gunshot. So you turned into stone, but not literally. You just couldn't move. It doesn't have to be interpreted literally, like turning into stone or a rock. So the real meaning of this nagbato, or becoming like stone, is that the witness wasn't able to move. He or she was petrified. So the correct term could have been petrified. So not being able to move, he turned into a stone-like statue. Exactly, petrified. So that's a funny thing that would happen in court if the court interpreter is not able to correctly translate the words being used in the courtroom. So that's our word for today. Remember the literal meaning of bato, which is stone or rock, and nagbato or nagabato, it's turned into stone or petrified. This is Joan of Art, and see you once again in our next video. Bye bye for now.